Hey friends, Hattie from Honeybee Stampers here, hopping on to do a quick video to share with you one of my favorite stamp sets that's retiring this May with the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. It's called In Symmetry and it coordinates with a punch. And then there's also some very vibrant designer series paper that also pairs well with it called Sweet Symmetry. I created some really quick and easy cards today, pairing this stamp set with some more retiring product, the greenery embossing folder, as well as the Hippo and Friends dies, to make these really simple cards to send out to all of my past stamp campers who have participated in the stamp camps that we do through the mail over the past couple years. We've got another one in the works for July, and we're super excited. I partner with Brenda Nelson from Canada to put together just an incredible event for our attendees. So if you're interested in joining us, make sure you reach out to myself or to Brenda to learn more. Thanks. Bye.